Oh, this is my presentation of my Telegram bot, which is named Film Gangster. It's the chatbot which is recommending movies based on the user location. So let's see the example. So um, let's say I'm in Dubai right now and I want to watch a movie. So I don't know what that movie is, but it's probably a good recommendation since the bot decided to spit it out. Um, You see, it's pretty simple, and just the beginning of the project. Basically, I want to work on that for a very long time and to build a very good recommendation system, which is providing amazing user experience. The idea was of this project to explore ways how to provide that experience. So there are a couple of questions that I had to answer during this time, and one of those questions is what's the difference? What can the uh, traditional coding do, and what's possible with the mm, the AI driven system? Uh, so I'm still searching for the final answer, but the situation is much clearer right now to me because I now understand where's the limitation of the classical programming and where the statistical mathematical decisions like AI can help and build new structures on top of the basic code. Um, so the the structure the structure of this code is pretty simple. The bot contains sequence of messages which is triggered by the user in the Telegram interface. So once the movie is recommended, that is just an example. Uh, uh, you know, if I don't like the recommendation, I can get the other one, better one, by choosing weather conditions. Like this functionality is not finished yet, but that it's going to happen soon. Uh, Also, uh, it's the step towards improvements. I want to build on current AI model, which is here. Uh, it's content-based model, which is using some uh, dataset features. They're split in certain categories. So they're prepared, in separate file, and I produced the clean data set for the AI, and then I split the data set features and train the model, get the information. There are uh, some statistical checks along the way, and then finally the process gives out some recommendation, and the loop closes when when the recommended movie goes into the bot again, and the recommendation is outputted in Telegram. Uh, so the idea is to work in stages, and the first stage is over and it's not completely successful. There are issues, there are still questions to answer, especially about the analysis of the performance of the model, what is happening there and why. And it's kind of rabbit hole I still need to continue analyzing and learning there. But it's exciting and interesting because I can see potential where I can build a dynamic system which is recommending movies not only based on weather conditions, but it will be able to pay attention to the user mood once it's receiving uh, some inputs. For example, uh, uh, like this is the clear example of weather, but I'm planning to implement other things like did questions, did you watch this movie, yes or no, did you like it or not, and this would improve the system itself and the experience of the user. And finally, I want to implement natural language processing model to to provide a similar to human interactions. It's already pretty interesting, but it's always giving the same communications, the same message sequence. I want it to be randomized and more interesting, and sharing and exchanging information with the user in some dynamic ways. That's what I want to achieve in the future.